What's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Mano, aka palmwinepapi. Welcome back again to the channel. If you guys are new here, definitely like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Check out the rest of the content. Today's video is very special. It's from an artist that is criminally underrated on the scene, man. He's an artist that we didn't know we loved. He's an artist that we didn't know we kept on repeat. And I think it's high time he gets his credit, man. I think it's high time he gets his flowers, you know. He first came onto the scene with his smash hit Tala Shogbeni. And since then, he has been dominating the scene under the radar, but we didn't know. Up to the point where he got a collaboration with one of the biggest artists of all time, Drake. He had a song with Drake called One Leg Walk, and that One Leg Walk song got him a Grammy nomination. And since then, he has gone to collaborate with Queen Bee herself and Melanie Poppin. Melanie Poppin also got him an actual Grammy this time around. So, and now he even did a Beyonce and Us and dropped an album low key that we didn't even know was released last year. This one's called Lasgidi Made. This one's really special, guys. This one's really special. It was executively produced by Kirikiri on the beats. It's a promising album. I can see it getting like AFCC certified. You guys should definitely check it out if you haven't. You guys are sleeping on something, man. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I still can't believe this shit was possible, bro. Like, how? Now, if you're watching this and you're probably confused as hell and don't know what I'm talking about, let me save you from this misery, okay, and this overstretched joke. There's an artist that goes by the name of Wisekid. I don't know if I can call him an artist, or let's just say he's an Ogbeni that is just out there posing to be Wizkid, okay? And guess what? My guy has been making up to 30 million naira per month. Okay, as far Lasgidi Made. He released an album called Lasgidi Made, and guess what, my guys? Guess what? The fascinating thing about this thing is how he got caught. My guy was bragging. God, imagine in 4K. Where's that camera? In 4K, they caught my guy. Bro, he was tweeting his numbers and bragging of how much streams he's racking. As far people were even, I saw screenshot. People were even getting him as on their replay, bro. Wisekid, 41 hours. Hey, bro, this thing is very fascinating. This has to go down as one of the wildest music heists ever, bro. Like it's bro. And it's mad, cause my guy had the names of every track, but he forgot the features. It's funny because when Wizkid Made in Lagos actually dropped, I think it was on Spotify that I didn't have any features showing for a while, so it could easily like look like a real album. At the same time, I'm like, I don't know how people fell for this. Do you know what I mean? There's a part of me is like, how are you streaming Wisekid this whole time? This whole time we didn't know my guy, and you're putting money aside. I feel for Wizkid, man. I feel for Wizkid. But the very interesting thing about this is, on top of everything, Made in Lagos is actually performing very well for itself. Like it's doing very well for itself, and it's saying a lot, bro. It's saying a lot. Imagine if all those streams were actually rightfully accumulated towards Wizkid, bro. Imagine that. Like, it's crazy, bro. It's crazy. And it's funny because this guy was just bro. Guy messed up. The guy messed up heavy. Not that I'm endorsing crime. Obviously, this is criminally. We're not trying to promote any fraudulent activities. No. We're not doing that. Please. It's just crazy, man. And it's very fascinating. But the shocking thing to me is, how didn't these platforms catch this thing? Like, how? Like, how isn't there a verification process for releases? Because even, for instance, like YouTube. Like, if somebody literally took this video, screenshot this video, and put it and uploaded it on their own channel, YouTube would actually flag that and let me know, hey, bro, somebody just uploaded their stuff on their channel. Look at this. Is it legit? Should we strike it? Should we do this or that? And we do that. They do that consistently with music as well. They pick up any instance. Okay, the algorithm is so out there that they pick up even you singing the song. Like this, like it's that deep that they'll flag it. Okay, and I'm like, Apple Music or I don't know if Spotify fell for this. Maybe Spotify didn't, but I saw Tidal. I saw Tidal as well. And I'm like, bro, how isn't the technology picking this up? That's what just blew my mind. I was looking at this and I was like, like YouTube will flag this one time. It doesn't take long. One time, this will have gone. This will have gone. This will never be a thing. And the fact that they're even processing money and giving this guy, okay, take 30 million, take. Hey, bro, this is wild. This is one of the wildest stories I have ever heard, bro. And it's just been crazy, man. The memes, the jokes have been wild. Joey Akan said, you can't walk in my shoes. That was Wizkid. Wisekid said Lori low. Maybe outsiders and 30 VG did this guy's stream and enjoy Wizkid so much. I no go get. This is actually a serious theory. It can go this deep. It can literally go this deep. If it be true, bro, like it's almost true. Joey Akan here again is saying, now I know some people are arguing that Lasgidi Made in Lagos was not the best album of 2020. You can't appreciate greatness. They were listening to Wisekid. Yeah, listen to Wizkid's Lasgidi Made. Yo, that's the wildest shit, bro. I saw some wild. Joey was out here flaming us with this jokes, man. Let's see this one. Say Wizkid go down perform Lasgidi Made for your hood. They form hood star boy. If you check Lugu well, you can see say him done they get small FC for streets. I'm sure. Only thing we remain that for him babes to swear affidavits, changing them to Judah. And that became Sion. Yo, Joey, someone arrest Joey, I beg. Someone go arrest Joey. This is too much. This is too much, bro. Yo, this entire story is too much. Obviously you guys can search on Twitter and look at this entire band. But yo, let me know what you guys think, man. What did you guys think about this? Obviously, it's actually, I think the biggest takeaway, it's saying a lot about how Made in Lagos is actually performing, bro. It's actually saying a lot about that. That album has aged beautifully. And even after my review, I even came back. After the performance, I came back to update kind of my outtakes on that album. Bro, like I can't deny the impacts that album is making. I still reserve my personal takes on the album, but you can't deny how it's performing out there. You can't deny the impact the album is making. But nonetheless, man, let me know what you guys feel about this entire story. This whole gist was wild as soon as I heard it. Anyway, leave in the comment section how you guys feel about it. Of course, if you're new here, definitely, this is not how every video is, I beg. We actually do like actual reviews and reactions as well. Like more reviews coming up. I'm looking towards just more reviews, more content on this channel and on my other channel as well, so definitely check those out. I also have my playlist. If you haven't seen that, check it out in the description somewhere below. All right, thank you so much for riding with your boy. I'll see you guys in the next upload. Peace.